awareness.
That's good, right?
So, nepong medicine. At the same time, I'm eating my cereal. So, nepong, good night. Or
What?
yeah, just nepong. So here I am doing a live video again. I'm doing this live video because I'm sorry a bit so. I'm actually nipping up, but I'm still I'm still trying not to.
Didn't you understand? Oh, no.
Oh my goodness. So what happened today? What happened? Can you guys not make a noise? 1 month ago. 1 month ago. Excuse me.
Sorry.
I started a new job. With this rental car company. You're still making noise. So I was very I was working hard. I don't coming in late. I'm always on time. And that's right after like how many years? 3 years. I've been doing a different kind of job that I love to do. So just last month, I decided to go back to the 9-5 job. And guess what happened to me today? I got laid off. I don't know whoever is today or whoever Chuukese people that are laid off from work, but I am one of the Chuukese people that got laid off. How is that? It's affecting me. Is it affecting you? Or is it stressing you out? Or it is stressing me out because I was really looking forward to work for this company, but then this crazy samau coronavirus came along, started. Anyway, I got laid off. I really got laid off, and it's not good for me because I have a lot of bills to pay and I have a family to feed and I have so much things, so much responsibility, and I just got laid off. So I just wanna jump on my live video and share it with people. What about you? Are you laid off too? Micronesian people, we are in a time of crisis, I would say. Family, right? So I'm one of the Chuukese Micronesian people that got laid off. Today, I went to work, and you see how that feeling when you're coming in and they called you in. My goodness, that never happened to me in my whole entire life. Got laid off from work, and it happens to me. You paturut ni karaga pose parusi o sepatu pe o laid off. So one thing I really appreciated is he's still watching over me. The family. Thank goodness I still have my other job that I usually do. It's a great job that I do since I moved out here. Anyway, ikai sorra yele ot sakura nga meidoril. Associated papa with the SFN, you bet to put it first. Wow, was rost to pack. It's all Robert Bevangeli. I read this of Robert Bevangeli. You would like Casacopate pills, but Kirisogari I got none because there is my other job that is still waiting for me whenever I want to go back. You will get ready with very fuck daddy, my goodness, I got laid off. So, we are new new employee get it got very faraga because we are the first one they're gonna lay us off. Wait a bit, me physically. I got laid off from my work. Get it so we put it on and I'm gonna give it to Hawaii and Hawaii, get it give it to Hawaii, you so up on laid off, right? And I would say to me, I just got laid off today. So it stressed me out because I like the job, but what can I do when the company decided to start laying off people? So that's the update on my Chuukese FinIasai video with what's happening with Chuukese Micronesian up here in Vancouver, Washington. I'm not talking about Chuukese people up down in Portland because I'm the first person. I don't know if there's any other Chuukese people in Mayban Layoff, but I am. Because what can we do? It's happening to us. So to see what I've gotten on that. I still have my other job I can always go to. So share your story, please. Oh, not restaurant. So Mato, are you laid off too? Are you laid off too, Mato? At least Mato, you're a single beautiful lady. I cannot be laid off and don't have any job because I have my children to feed and I have my bills, my cars to pay. And I have a lot of bills to pay to the bank. Oh my goodness. It's just getting crazy, this coronavirus thing. So share your story, upload your video, share it onto if you have a story, please share it to my Micronesian video, funny videos, so I can share it to my other friends. And that's my story today. Chuukese FinIasai just got laid off from her job. Thank you for watching. And send me your video and you talk you're not laid off, right? You're a restaurant, it's a quota. But I really am laid off. Right? Chuukese FinIasai videos. So whoever is watching my video, please